We see it all the time, in conversation after conversation with leaders across sectors. The story often repeats. We've invested in evolving our brand strategy, but it hasn't fully landed. Or some say people still default to the old way of doing things. Because the truth is, strategy isn't the finish line. It's really the starting point for change. Unless it's embedded into daily behaviours, tools, and team rhythms, it stays stuck in the slides, or worse, in people's heads. And the brand starts to feel more like a promise that the organisation can't keep. But brand enablement is really what makes that strategy stick. It's how you shift from alignment at the top to activation across the entire organisation. It brings your brand to life not through inspiration alone, but through systems, through language, and through ownership. And when it works, teams speak the same language. Communications becomes much more consistent, and leadership can trust that the strategy is actually being lived, not just remembered. At MistryX, we support organisations through the critical post-strategy phase, embedding the brand in ways that scale and last. In fact, we actually focus on 3 core areas. The first is training and adoption, equipping leaders and teams through hands-on sessions, brand immersion, and alignment workshops. The second area is brand playbooks, codifying that strategy into usable tools that guide decisions, messaging, and execution. And the third area is activation strategy, mapping structured rollout plans that overcome inertia and bring clarity to every channel. When enablement is done right, teams feel empowered because they know how to use the brand, and the brand actually scales consistently across functions and markets. Not only that, leadership sees impact and not just buy-in. For us, this is how strategy becomes infrastructure and how clarity compounds. So if your strategy feels strong but you're struggling to embed it, we're here to help you bring your brand to life from the inside out.